child dead and a mother in custody following a fire in Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. And how do Jamaicans rate the Prime Minister and opposition leader? The latest poll results. And martial arts to minimize violence in schools? We explore the issue. There's also primetime sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.